wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fidaw bin Azari and my card number is CD150088. Firstly, before I start, I would like to thank you to Dr. Zaini Yunus for teaching me about subject computer programming. Chapter 1 is Introduction. In this project, we will give a task board to create a computer programming that related to fluid mechanics and or fluid dynamics. The knowledge of the student about subject computer programming. This subject we have learned about coding in computer programming and several common such as function, blocks, input and output statement. We will give a choice to choose either to choose fluid mechanics or fluid dynamics by creating a C programming to solve the problem. We must at least have 4 loops and 2 functions to solve this problem. So I have decided to create C programming by using fluid mechanics. Before we create a C programming, we must know what is fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is physics considered to fluid mechanics such as liquid, gases and plasma and force on them. So I have decided to calculate density, gas of specific gas and mass of air in the room temperature. They have several formulas that we use in this problem to solve. There is density, specific gravity, volume and mass. So formula for density. There is rho equal to pressure over R. There is gas constant 0.287 and temperature that is T. For specific gravity is Sg equal to rho over rho H2O. Rho H2O is 100 kg per meter cube. And after that, we use volume is equal to length times base times height. Length times base times height. And the last one is mass for specific air. That is M is equal to rho V. Chapter 2, there is problem statement. They have 3 problem statements. The first one is the program was developed to solve and calculate the mass of air, density and specific gas, specific gravity. And the second one is determine mass after density, volume and specific gravity have been calculated by using computer programming. And the third one is to create limitation, that is height, base and weight and length to know the maximum volume. For example, that is our figure. So this one is a base. We create limitation between 1 until 4. And this one is height. We also create limitation between 1 until 4. And the last one is length. We create limitation between 1 until 4. Chapter 3 is objective. we have three objectives. That is to understand program and to create C programming to solve the problem in the fluid mechanics. And the second is to find out the result or the answer or the output in the C programming. And the third is to calculate the mass of specific gravity. After we calculate the specific gravity, the mass and volume by using the computer programming. Chapter 4 for this project is methodology. There is a flowchart. So there is the flowchart. The first one is start. Going to this condition, there is height. If height is lower than 5, they will go into yes. Going to this condition, there is length. If length is going to less 5, they will go into width, and then going to this condition, and yes, if yes, they will go into this formula or this function. If no, they will go in upper. So if yes, so we're going to repeat and repeat and repeat until they have reached maximum value. There is more than 5, then they will go into no and 8. So for this one, there is the then function flowchart. For this one, then function, there is PRT. For the formula is density is equal to pressure divided by R times T. Then we will get the answer for density. After we get the answer for density, they will go into specific gravity. Specific gravity, there is T y. So specific gravity is density divided by 1000, that is pressure. Then we will get the specific gravity. Then after we get the answer for specific gravity, we will get the volume. So for calculate the volume, we must use this formula: height times width times width times length. There is limitation 1 until 4, 1 until 4 and 1 until 4. So we will get the answer for volume. After we get the answer for volume, we will calculate for mass. So this is the last one. That is mass function flowchart. This one, mass function flowchart. Mass function flowchart, the formula is density times volume. We will know that volume has been calculated, so we just times density. We will get the answer for mass, and we will get the answer for this project. Okay, the next for methodology is coding. This one is coding. They have 5 functions, including main function. For each function, there is density, specific gravity, volume and mass. And for the main function, there is length, height, width, volume. And this one is log. They have 4 logs: 1, 2, and 3 and 4. After that, they have a function that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we will get output for this problem. This is the chapter 5, that is result. This is the result or output for C programming. We get too many of that. The last chapter in this project is conclusion, that is chapter 6. As a conclusion, the flowchart is to help students to know about C programming. After that, by using a C programming, we have saved many time compared to using calculator. Overall, in this conclusion, it is too hard or too difficult for mechanical engineering student, because all mechanical engineering student they're not expert using C programming, but it's a good to them to finish this project.